Most blonde wigs might come out dried and crusty and not have that natural soft feel to it. Not this one. This wig is nice and soft to the touch. Bleaching the knots is optional, but I recommend it because there are some parts that aren't bleached. At this point, I did not bleach the knots, but I did bleach it after this video, so you will see it bleached and not bleached, so you can see the difference. Starting out with my Sticky Little Secrets Skin Protecting Spray, which really helps for a lasting install. The links to the products and wigs that I use are in the description below. Sit back, relax, vibe to the music, and watch the process.
I met this chick and she just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing I need to see. But oh no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen. Play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't get it alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about that girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in. See, now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank you. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him. But you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said, you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
This spray really helps to hold your curls. I love the color of this wig, and the hair is really soft and silky. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Leave a red heart in the comment section letting me know. Give this video a like and stay tuned for the bleach knots reinstall.